Hi, my name is Alexa, and today I will go over the digital divide. The digital divide is explained as the gap that exists between individuals who have access to modern information and communication technology and those who lack access. There are three key stages that influence digital inequality worldwide. These stages are gender, social status, and the universal access to technology. First, gender often plays a role in the exposure to technology in that men, sometimes but not always, will more often be in the workplace. And here they will have access to technology and will learn more about it than women will. Second is social status and economic status as well. So this plays a role in schools that are funded and how much technology the students there will have access to based on how much money the school has to provide. The third references disabilities and people who use technology with these disabilities. Their usage of technology will be different than those without disabilities. So why is it significant to talk about the digital divide? I think this is important because different factors will affect the outcome of people's education and digital literacy. So for instance, income will affect where you live and will affect the school system that you're in and what kind of education and exposure you will have to technology. The education that you have will be dependent on the income that you have, and I don't like the relationship between the quality of education having to be dependent on your income. So it often will vary on your socioeconomic status, and the lesser access you have to technology, the deeper the divide will become in digital literacy from those who are more well funded in their schools that have access to technology than to those who don't. I would love for the benefits of technology to be equitable for all groups and not only for those who are funded enough to purchase it. So in the future, in my own teaching, I would love to lessen the divide digitally and hopefully provide opportunities in my classroom for my students to learn more about technology and especially its importance in life after just school. I know that where I teach will determine what access I have to technology and what I can give to my students. And so I think it's important to note that technology should complement your lessons and not be dependent for the success of your lessons. So I'm prepared to advocate for my students and hopefully give them equal resources to those everywhere else, to technology, and to be able to prepare them for life outside of school. Here's the reference for the quote. Thank you.